Bench thoracic spine mobilizations, particularly for extension. Now this drill is really good for getting more extension in that upper back due to the setup. Number one, when we tuck our hips, the way we see me kind of rounding through my low back here, it forces that extension to happen basically from like T12 and up. So it really localizes the mobilization to the area we're trying to target, which is the thoracic spine. And then as we're holding the dowel in this orientation with our arms supinated, aka palms facing us, and then hands about shoulder width or wider, it forces the shoulder into the range that it's typically not very strong in as we go into extension and then as we go overhead. Now, probably the most important factor here is less about how far into the range you go and more about, are you using your breath and the position of your rib cage to actually stabilize and support your shoulders in this extended position where you're not used to being. Try playing with breathing into and expanding different areas of your rib cage and seeing how that affects the tension through your shoulders. Another thing to focus on here is squeezing the dowel tightly and trying to pull it apart as opposed to relying on the dowel to keep your shoulders in that rotated out position.